Hello and welcome, I'm Pranati and here I would bring to you the latest updates in this SkyMed Daily Weather Report. Temperatures of North, West and South India are in higher 30s. Rains moving out of Northwest India will give a push to temperatures in this region. Tamil Nadu will continue with higher temperatures. Central India, especially Madhya Pradesh, Vidarbha and Chhattisgarh will have pleasant temperatures due to continuous scattered rains. Winds from north and northwest directions will dominate northwest and central India. The dry winds will further reduce humidity in the northwest and central India. A cyclonic circulation over Odisha and the neighbouring states persists. This system will be instrumental in bringing rains over East India. The moist winds from Bay of Bengal will feed moisture to the northeastern states. Winds are turning anti-clockwise direction along the east coast. States of East and Central India, especially Vidarbha, Chhattisgarh, Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha, West Bengal and Sikkim along with northeastern states and North Andhra Pradesh would receive rains at many places. Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, West Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh will remain dry. Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, South East Rajasthan and East Gujarat will receive showers at a few places. Isolated rains are also possible over the southern peninsula. Now moving on, let's take a quick look at the weather over the cosmopolitans. Skies over Delhi will remain mainly clear and bright sunshine. Maximum of 34 degrees would create some discomfort while minimum of 24 will be making the morning soothing. Light rain is predicted over some areas in Mumbai. The sky would be cloudy and maximum of 31 degrees. Morning would be pleasant with a minimum of 24. A hot and humid day for Kolkata with a maximum of 35 degrees. Chances of thundershower in some parts of the city. Minimum will be around 27. Bangalore will have a comfortable day with 30 degrees. Sky will be partly cloudy and possibility of thunderstorm in the evening. Morning will also be pleasant at 20. Light to moderate rains are possible over Hyderabad. Maximum will not cross 31 degrees. Morning will remain comfortable at 22 and sky will remain cloudy. Chennai will get a chance to cheer as thunderstorms are expected in some areas of the city. Maximum may come down to 33 and minimum of 25 degrees will be pleasant. On that note, we would like to conclude our SkyMed Daily Weather Report. For more information, please log on to indianweatherforecast.com or join us on our Facebook and Twitter page.